The bears sold into strength today. This is D7 here at Grok Trade. It's Tuesday, August 25th, 2015. And market started off very bullish. Yesterday I talked about the markets going up. Look for a 400 point up day. And we got close to that today. And sure enough, as soon as we got up there, I went ahead and added to my short positions, and from there the market sold off. Anyway, looking here at the spider, the S&P 500 down 1.22%, the diamond's down 1.15%, NASDAQ down 0.36%, small caps off 0.8%. So NASDAQ not doing as bad as the others. Banks off 0.4%. Commodities hit yet again. Silver down, gold down more than 1%. US dollar up 1%. Big rally here, or strength on the US dollar. And the VIX increasing by day's end. So a couple things here as we get into TradingView. I am using TradingView. And as we look here at TradingView, I should probably say if you go to tradingview.com, click on the little light bulb, all these dots will pop up. And some of these dots are my dots, and they look like triangles on mine. And here's the point I want to bring to you. You'll notice right before the crash, I say here, right here, if you hover over a dot, you'll see my name. You can click on it and you can follow me. And if you follow me, you will be alerted to my calls that I make. So I called this, and then we crashed. The last time we hit this low, I called it bullish. We went higher. Here, I said bullish. We went higher. Here, I said bullish. We went higher. And where else? Here, we said bearish. We went down. And look where we are now, as far as me calling bearish. Look at this. I called it bullish here. And so the point I want to make here is you can follow me on TradingView. The other point I want to make here are these are timestamps that cannot be changed. Once you say a sell or a buy, it is timestamped forever. It cannot be manipulated. What I would challenge you to do is look at anybody else here and look at their track records versus mine. I know I'm tooting my own horn here, but I want you to know and have confidence in the fact that you following me is a very wise decision. And thank you for watching this video. Today, when the markets popped, we had a nice boom pop to the upside. I think we got up around 380, 385, something on the Dow, almost 400. I said 400, got very close to that. And then smart investors sold into that strength. So did I. I started shorting here, unloaded one of my long positions. Matter of fact, I showed you my account yesterday, made 15,000, I think 800 yesterday on yesterday's plays. And today I made, let me see if I can show that to you actually. Here's my account that I showed you. I'm holding ACI, and I have not stopped out of that one yet. I have a trailing stop on it, and I'm holding, I sold out of blue today. It did trigger my stop loss, so I'm out on that. And then I added to my RWM, so I now am holding more shares of that than what I did yesterday. And today I pulled down $2,300 for today, and unrealized profits $5,200 on these. So now who else will show you their accounts? I showed you my accounts yesterday on a huge bearish day and what I made, and today on a bullish day on what I made. So the question is, usually any trader can make money one of the 2 days. Either if you're bullish, you'll make money, or if you are bearish, you'll make money on the other day. How many traders are actually making money both days? So proof's in the pudding, and now I'm showing that to you. I want to be very clear here that yes, I'm biased. I do own a company. I'm a trader first though. I'm a trader first, and then I teach people how to trade. A lot of people are now signing up for the class. What class am I talking about? On free online trading education. They're taking the 101 course. I just looked. We have, looks like yesterday, 158 signed up for that. 158 of you traders have signed up for that. It's free. Take the class. You have to take this class to be able to take the 201s in Grok Trade. Grok Trade, if you go to Trading Education 201s, you have to take the 101s before you can take the 201s. You have to take both of those before you can even be our student. I want you guys to think about this. In November, we are putting on a mentorship in Vegas. You do not want to miss that. We will only take the first 25 people. First 25 people that sign up for November mentorship will get it. Now, let's get to some stocks and show you what it is that we are looking at. Now, here we had this big pop and this drop. The question is, what is going to happen next? This is what I can tell you, and I want you to listen up on this. This is so important that you understand this. A lot of people, and I posted this on Facebook, I highly recommend that you go over to Facebook and follow us here. And here's why. I mean, we have over 6,000 likes, 27 already this week liking us. It's pretty popular. But I posted a video here. This was last night. I was watching Fox News. I was watching the O'Reilly Factor. And Bill O'Reilly says something. I had to rewind it. I put it on record. I recorded off my cell phone. And he says something that I adamantly disagree with. I even sent him an email. I might even hit news tonight. Watch it. Who knows? I might pop up. But I disagree. He says, do nothing in the markets. That's asinine. What do you mean do nothing in the markets? Just sit it out and wait for it to come back. It's insane. My wife was in the other room and says, hey, is that good advice? She's not a trader. And I said it was horrible advice. And you hear the commentary here. So go to Grok Trade at Facebook and you can listen to that happen in real time. And I captured it. It's not edited. It is what it is. Very interesting to see. But what I can tell you is this. I would not be long this market. I had a chat with Mark Cuban on his CyberDust. What's great is you can actually chat with him on CyberDust. He's a great trader, a fantastic, wise, savvy investor. He does very well. He says, hey, sit through this. It's going to come back. He told us publicly that he is selling puts. I think that is a huge mistake. You buy the puts now, don't sell them, or at least, if you're going to sell anything, sell calls at this moment. Please do that. But the markets are broken. I could see it's trickling back up here. I could see another rally going up higher here, but it's going to be short-lived. The markets are broken. We will not see these highs anytime soon. We will continue to see 52-week lows. We will continue to do that. Gang, where we're at now, just as of yesterday, we wiped out 10 months worth of gains, 10 months in one single day, in one swoop. In this last drop, 10 months worth of inclines. So you have to be nimble and ready to trade this market and be wise when you do it. I have put together the perfect plan. If you go to, a lot of you are very interested in trading. A lot of you have contacted me. Here's the short version. Guys, I made it idiot proof for anybody to learn this. Take the 101 class, the 201 class, do the mentorship. You will be able to be a full-time trader if you want to be, or a full-time swing trader, or just to augment. You have that ability because we're going to help you reach your full potential in the markets, bottom line. So that's how you do it. You're saying what books to read, what seminars to go to. I used to teach for Rich Dad Poor Dad with Robert Kiyosaki. I was their mentor, very highly sought after mentor. I was booked out months in advance. I've been doing this a long time, over 17 years, almost 18 years now, and this will be my third crash I've lived through, and I've called the last two. So we are going to teach you in November in Vegas. The only way to do that is go through the 101s, 201s, then take their mentorship in Vegas with us. We'll take the first 25, catch you guys later.